Changing your expiration is usually one of the first things you want to do. Let's find the recording we'd like to use. Click the NDVR button. When the page loads, we can see our 5 most recent recordings. I'm going to make changes to the first recording. When the title page loads, you can see that this media will expire on January 7th. In most districts, when a media expires, it will automatically delete. To change this, click the Edit button. This will open the information rights for this piece of media. Make sure you're on the Rights Management tab. Here we can change the month and the day and the year that a video will expire. If you want it to never expire, then you just check the box that says Never Expire. Be sure to click Save in order to keep your changes. Going back to the title page, you can see the label for expiration date is no longer there. This media will not expire. The second thing most teachers want to do is be able to share their media with other teachers. To do this, we click Edit. On the Information and Rights Management tab, we check the box that says Share. Clicking Save will add permissions to your menu choice. It's located in 2 places. Clicking Permissions will show you who has access. In this case, it's by default to all. We can also change it to user type, where we can select by different types of users based on what your district has set up. And we can also select user and user groups, which allows us to pick individuals. Selecting yourself first, and then any other person you'd like to see added to the list. So if I pick Tony Sanfilippo, and then Ryan Taylor, now the 3 of us will be able to see this recording. If I no longer want to share with Ryan, I select his name again. Clicking the arrow pointing to the left removes him. He will no longer have access to this recording. Going back to the title page, we can now see it's viewable by selected users and groups. To change this, I click Edit. If I like to change individual permissions, I go to the permissions and then I can add and remove people. Or if I want to change permissions altogether and unshare it, I want to uncheck the box and click Save. Going back to the title page, I can see the item is not shared. It will only be viewable by the person who created it.